This was the main. Hey. She's sexy. Bridgerton, Sana. It's giving Bridgerton. It's very nice. I would actually go to a club that plays only jazz. It's very nice. Oh, curry, 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 curry. On the love, on the love. Also wearing Era. These are very nice. Are these actually special?
No.
No. I'm also wearing Zana.
Did I take my phone?
Yes, you took your phone.
I took it.
Yes, for a selfie. Some easy.
No, I didn't want to fight.
Okay. Is some easy outside now?
No.
Show them you're also wearing Era earrings.
I'm also wearing Era, guys. Earrings.
Show them this.
Yes. This is to unlock a heart.
Unlock what hands?
I'm never ready. That's cool.
Okay, as done in it. Let me go mingle with celebrities. And somebody shoot. Here's the first celebrity.
You people love me.
Hey, This is the first. Please tell them that Pearl Tusi told me I'm the most beautiful girl here. She came to this table and she came to tell me that I'm the most beautiful girl.
Were you in this table
Where were you?
when she said that?
Yeah.
Because I would have disagreed.
Excuse me? So who's the most beautiful girl here?
First on the
I will-
camera, so what? Let me tell you who's the most beautiful girl here. I'm gonna leave the frame and show you.
Thank you. She came to my table and she was like, oh my god, we've been looking at you from that table. You're so beautiful. And I'm like, oh my god, you mean me? Who's performing? Where? How? What? She came to me and she told me, we've been looking at you. They're sitting at the celebrity table. So we're talking about you there. You're so pretty. What's your hairstyle. You look good. What are you wearing? I'm like, chill. Thank you. She's so sweet. Papi Cooper is also very sweet. Who else is sweet? Everyone here is sweet, actually. Let me go greet other people. Well, let me just show you. Oh, let me show you who's here. Let me show you who's here. Starting from her, Saha. I'm gonna move and just show you the celebrities that are here. I hope it's not awkward, but anyways, I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Puppy. Hey. Hi guys. Oh wait. Hey guys, my name is Pavi and I'm with Liam. You guys must expect the next one with me, Liam and Zebo. Ooh, and who? DJ Zebo. Period. Done. Dusted. No, it's done. You must wait for it. Dusted. Period. Thank you. Period. I hope you guys heard. I'm just shooting. Sorry. I didn't greet you actually. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
I'm good. Why are you such a gentleman? Why are you not on handshake? Why are you gonna hug you?
Oh, don't you understand this system away?
Yeah?
Can we alive?
We are live, yeah.
What's going on?
It's Njolo.
Yeah?
The Njolo way.
Yeah, the away.
So Njolo doesn't want you to hug him.
It depends on the circumstance.
I'm good, how are you? Good to see you too. Okay, I'm gonna go to another table. Yeah, guys, it's a definitely Did you find your phone?
I know who's carrying it.
Say hi.
Hello, my people. Base kwamnandi etshwaleni.
Upusamizihle.
Okay, put your hands, my love.
Hey, Bo. Andimboni kwa Sisilo. Ooh, the power couple. Let me switch my phone. Hello.
Hey,
How are you?
fine and you?
I'm good. How are you?
Why? Welcome to 4.
12, I'll put
And mine get 39
140.
It's 30 rand.
13 rand 40.
Me, I'll put the 140.
Why if you time 13 rand?
What's in I told you? Need food forever.
Hey, Bo.
I'm food in 70s.
Jay.
Listen, I've got a clothing range.
Yes.
You can look for my tracksuits.
Zandip.
Yeah,
Free.
free. Nzabu, take my number, speak to me on WhatsApp.
Okay. Mike.
You're so sweet.
Thank you. I wanna go back to my live because I was live, but
Were you
I
live?
just no. I just came in live now. I want you to say hi. It's my people.
Okay. So,
You ready? The live go.
Okay. You got class lamb.
Guys, utiba mandimthengele airtime.
We're 13 rand 40.
Cela bachazele why?
Pega. Sikolo sami. Siyangamuka.
Engayo.
Sibona. I think silungise lapha la live. Phela it's a bad hair day, you. Fabulous.
Yes, as always.
Bengize blue eye bow.
Yes.
Hello people.
Yeah, and bayangena ngokusheshsha sana. Babona wena. Okay, guys. It's like
Okay,
10
baby.
minute airtime.
Okay, no cutting to the number, yeah.
Okay.
Sharp love.
Yeah, we're gonna shop. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. You look amazing too. I'm looking for Sissy. But I'm gonna go inside now. I think I wanna go pee. Yeah, he is so nice. He's saying that I should pay him. Hello, how are you? Why are you greeting me so in a shy manner? Ufunda. Izalukake. Unjani? Yaphila. Okay, so I'm saying I basically cut my life because I wasn't sure if he wants to be on live, so I had to ask first. But anyways, he was saying that I should buy him a time because I have money. Imagine. Uti endunemali wena molweni. Njani? Ndiyaphenza from toilet. Uthi bana. Oh, enkosi. Bana, endunemali wena. Ngithengele airtime. But we were talking and he gave me his number. Anyways, guys, I wanna pee. Whee! It's been a long time coming. The girl is not sick anymore. I'm better now. I'm better than I was. I'm wearing. This is designer, guys, but I don't remember. Take them because they sent this as PR and yeah, but it's amazing people. It's a very nice event. Zinhle is amazing. Husband is humble, sweet, everything. I understand why these celebs really money though. I should be the one who's asking money for money. What's that adrenaline? Adrenaline, yani. I'm not drinking because I'm still drinking medicine. I'm still under antibiotics. So yeah, I lost my twin. I don't know where Sissy is, and Sissy's so extroverted. She can greet anybody, anytime. So yeah. Now I'm in the toilet, I'm talking to you guys. Oh, I did nails. Oh, guys, I did nails. And actually, first of all, I'm face and that's what's in face, but in face. Abantu baseJoburg, okay, I don't know. It's not about baseJoburg, but Joburg in general. Like when I'm here, I don't know how to do my hair, my nails, and my lashes. Like I don't know. Zinhle Z tried to plug me with some salons actually. Yeah, but they're too far. Like they're in Pretoria, and I'm like I sometimes get too lazy to go. So. Like, why can't they be here, like in Randburg, where I live? So, like, I went home and I'm back. And I did my lashes, my nails, my hair. What do you mean? And when I'm in Joburg, like, I'm literally crusty. And I'm wearing waves. And I'm doing, what's this? Stick-on nails. Okay, actually I prefer stick-on nails because of my nails. How my nails are, they're very brittle and very soft. They break easy. So I don't like doing my nails. I like stick-on nails. But I did these nails because he's my my nail tech for years. Ola from King, he's my nail tech from years, and he uses gel on my nails, so it doesn't really affect me. But guys, like for real, let's be serious. I need people, and I'm very loyal. When I do my hair to like in Joburg once, you will always be the one who's gonna do my hair, my nails. You always be the one. So that's why I'm very skeptical about this. Not skeptical, this is very important for me to know who knows how to do hair, nails, and lashes, so that I'm always there every month. Yeah, so that I'm always there every month. So guys, anything that you do, please just plug me with, good people, because I don't like different people touching my hair and doing my hair, different people touching my hands. I want just one person, and I run with that person. Yeah. Saint Nails. Somebody was joking about what? About the airtime. He looked serious. He was like, buy me 13 rand airtime because you're a man. And I'm asking why. And he's like, just J. Because I want to keep it. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah, but guys, I have a lot to tell you. Not a lot, actually, because I haven't done anything besides being sick these days. Yeah, I haven't done anything besides being sick. What have I done? Do I have any updates? I don't really have any update. I think you guys need to update me. Yeah, I'm seeing like, yay, people are out of yay. Anyways, we're not there. Like, you guys need to update me. You guys need to update me, please. And I keep on seeing you guys are asking, what ring is this? This is just a ring. It's literally 100 rand. 100 rand ring. Like, oh, yeah. Yeah. There's something, ne? It's called a mandaba, man, and Zivayo. Regarding this ring and like people and stuff, and August and the month, and I'm actually confused. Like, yeah, how? Njani? But anyways, guys, mna ndivukile ndi-unfollowishiwe, so andiyazi. Yes. Siphilela nje mna ndiphila ubomi bami. Xa ndisithi gwangwenye ndi-unfollowishiwe, and ke ngoku lo mntu unfollowishileyo undenza uba mandim-unfollowishe, ndaqonda hayibo, follow back, because what's going on? There's a fire in the mountain. Please, people should leave me alone. Because the people of the peoples have drama and a lot of jealousy. So who unfollowed who, I do not know. So please, I'm done talking before I say things. I should go pee. Anywho, I need to go back to the event. I don't have a lot of views. Why am I acting like I have it? I really don't. I don't. So I'm just gonna go. Bye. Thank you for listening to my Small Anana news. ha guys yabona ke yo naba bantu bezisa if favorites zabo and stuff. I'm not talking about y'all's favorites and winners. I'm not talking about previous winners, please. I'm not talking about previous winners. Full stop. Where mixing 2 and 2 that doesn't even mix together. I said what I said, and I'm not talking about previous winners. Please put some respect in my name. Put some respect on my name, okay? Looking for drama. There's no drama. How? If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Hi, Zinke. Oh, I see you in Devon. Yo, Devon, Dubai. Dubai? Hey, I need a phone call. Anyways, I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna leave. And bye. Like, yeah, bye.